Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a preset based on a picture that you have edited by the help of the Lightroom application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the library button and select the picture that you have already edited. So click on it and then tap on this three dots icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on Create Preset in the middle of the screen. Here you can select from these features whether you would like to include the profile, the Adobe color, the masking, the light. As you can see, here are all of those features that have been included and adjusted on the picture, such as exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, whites, blacks, and tone curve. But if you want to remove any of these features, just simply tap on the relevant one, and once the checkmark icon disappears from the box, it means that it won't be included in your preset. As you go back, you can also set the color. Here you have the features that have been adjusted. Once again, you can delete any of these features by just simply tapping on the check marks. Then you can also change the details or add them. You can add the optics, such as remove chromatic aberration, enable lens corrections and lens profile. And the last one is geometry, including upright and manual transforms. As you go back to the top, you can add a name to your preset. And if you are done with all these steps, click on the checkmark icon to finalize the preset creation process. So now you have your own preset. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.